A while ago I told you about the inChargeX 6-in-1 USB charger and power lead combination from Rolling Square. I actually have two of them now. One's in a very nice pewter finish, and it's been updated as well because now the cap remains part of the item, which is handy because you won't lose the cap. I keep one in the office and also can take one on the road. And if you're a neatness fanatic, if you're anything like me, with a million cables everywhere, this will really fit the bill for you. However, there was one shortcoming I found, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Here's the long version, which is in the old terms 5 foot long, whatever that is in meters, 1.5 maybe? And it overcomes the shortcoming if you don't have a device right next to you on the desk or wherever. Perhaps your USB port is at the front of your computer or up the top. So this overcomes that by being so long. It has the same exact USB connections on both ends as the smaller pocket device, with the huge advantage I find of the extra length. And just like the pocket version, it has the magnets on either end, so it doesn't unravel itself and remains neat. Very handy, I find. Both of these items, including actually the Tau 2, which is a portable, very small power unit, which you can charge your phone in an emergency. All of these items are available with the same discount code as I mentioned before, which is on screen, and I'll put in the links. The code is Steve Mack Actor, and that will get you a big discount on your total order, not just one thing. So you may want to buy one of these for a present. They make an ideal gift because everyone uses a USB port of some description or another, whether it's on your phone, your laptop, you name it. So now you just need one cable neatly on your desk, easily within reach. So it's very, very handy. Thought I'd give you an update on that. You can simply go to the Rolling Square website, browse all of their products, which I can't begin to name here. There's quite a lot. And you'll find something that will be handy for you. So check that out. And remember, use the discount code Steve Mack Actor for quite a substantial discount. Okay, cheers, and I'll speak to you all soon.